Welcome to in front of me NOKIA G60, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first let's open just menu, or just let's use these applications. Just to create the folder, we should hold one application and then just drag it to another one. And now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way, we can see here, we can add here more applications to this folder. If you want to rename the folder, click here to edit name and enter the new one. For example, let's use the apps. If you want to just, we have here one more folder, as you can see. If you want to move it here on the home screen or between the screens, or if you want to just create a new screens for the folder, just hold and after that drag it. To remove the folder from the application from the folder, just hold and after that drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, just hold and drag it here to remove icon. But don't worry, because you can find here that's removed before application in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.